Okay, got the motor mostly tight. I now have to adjust the chain. That's done with this bolt, with basically a tensioner. And tightened it pretty good. There's still a little deflection here, but I think that's decent. I think that's about what it was before, and that's kind of how I don't learn how to do chainsaw chains. So I think these are probably similar. I think that's a good position, so I'm going to tighten everything down now. In this case, it's a 9/16 wrench. That's just for me for future reference. Some of these are kind of hard to get to now. Tight. One more. This is probably going to be the hard one. It's in a weird spot and it's underneath the chain. So I'm going to have to kind of just increment it a little bit. Use the open end with the combination wrench. Now I need to tighten the nut here on the bottom of this lock, of this tensioner. This is basically a lock nut. Locked. It's ready to go now.